Hello everyone, this is Sandhya. Today I am going to explain how to connect our Telegram bot with the dog API using the API key of the dog API. Here, this is the code I had written using the dog API key. First, I had imported two packages, no Telegram bot API and Axios. Later, I had taken the token variable. This is the value of that is the token of my own Telegram bot, and dog API key is the my API key of the dog API, and I had created the bot with the Telegram bot with the token and polling values. After that, when we send the start message to our bot, it says that welcome to doggo chatbot, type /dog to get the random dog image. After that, when we give the command /dog, it generates the random picture of the dog. If there is any error, then it says that error fetching dog image. Please try again later. Here, this is the async function to get the random image of the dog. Now I am going to save this code and going to the location of the file. In users. Now in this I am going to type cmd. Now I am running the file code. See here, now I am going to my Telegram bot. I am giving the command /dot. This is based on my key. Now, wait a minute. See, our bot generated the message welcome to doggo chatbot, type /dog. Now I am typing /dog. So this is how the random pictures of the dogs are generated by using the dog API key in our Telegram bot. Again, I am typing. So like this, we can connect our Telegram bot with the dog API key. So once again, let's finally look at our code. We had used two packages, no Telegram bot API and Axios, and the API key and bot.onText function. Okay, thanks. Bye everyone.